Sarah and I field many calls and many requests through the website of different ways for people to kind of bring their products in. So when they come into working with like a company like Econo-Pak, they can get that 1 pound bag, they can get the single serve, and then also expanding into variety packs to be able to introduce different types of products with their brand.
Yeah, no, you're exactly right. And that's a good point. So a lot of manufacturers, so say you do manufacture internally, right? And you're making your products and you're packaging products. You may invest millions of dollars on your number one product line, right? And I'm going to make this up, but your number one product line, like you said, is a 1 pound product, right? But everybody wants also a ½ pound product, right? But your line and your efficiencies and the automation is all set up for a 1 pound. So in order for you to go to that ½ pound, you don't want to diverge that line, set it down, reset it up, create inefficiencies, or that line's at capacity. Going to a copacker and saying, hey, we're going to do the 1 pound. You guys take over and you guys do this ½ pound for us. And now you've got a 1 pound successful product and you've got a ½ pound successful product, right? Yeah. And that was what, the co-packing is all about, right? Giving these brands a lot of different diversity and ability to really come up with anything they want and get out and sell it quickly and efficiently.